I'm Lieutenant Jason Fair, Albuquerque Fire Rescue. From all of us here at Albuquerque Fire, I'd like to wish you a safe and happy Thanksgiving. And today we'll give you a couple tips on how to do that. Thanksgiving is the peak day for home cooking fires, with more than 3 times the daily average for such incidents. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day rank second and third, with both having twice the daily average. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of cooking fires and fire deaths. If you are deep frying a turkey, make sure the turkey is thawed, that it's dry, and monitor the oil for temperature and volume. Place the turkey carefully into the oil. Always deep fry outdoors and 10 feet away from anything that's combustible. If you experience a stovetop fire, turn off the heat, place a lid on the pan, and always have a fire extinguisher nearby. For oven fires, turn off the oven, keep the oven door closed, and call 911. From all of us here at Albuquerque Fire Rescue, hope that all of you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving holiday.